Welcome to Billion Banks, where we bring you the cutting edge of technology. Today, we're exploring the world of AI and machine learning engineers, the masterminds shaping the future. AI and machine learning technology is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play. But who are the masterminds behind this incredible technology? Let's find out. AI machine learning engineers play a pivotal role in shaping the landscape of technology by spearheading the development of intelligent systems across various domains. Their expertise encompasses the entire spectrum of the algorithmic journey, from conceptualization and design to implementation and optimization. In the realm of recommendation systems, AI machine learning engineers leverage sophisticated algorithms to analyze vast datasets, discerning intricate patterns of user behavior and preferences. This nuanced understanding enables platforms like Netflix and Amazon to deliver personalized recommendations, enhancing user satisfaction and driving engagement and revenue. Image and speech recognition technologies represent another frontier where AI machine learning engineers make significant strides. Through the meticulous training of deep neural networks and the application of advanced algorithms, they enable machines to interpret and comprehend visual and auditory inputs with remarkable accuracy. These capabilities underpin a myriad of applications, ranging from virtual assistants and language translation tools to medical image analysis and autonomous vehicles. Speaking of autonomous vehicles, AI machine learning engineers are at the forefront of revolutionizing transportation through the development of self-driving cars. By harnessing the power of machine learning algorithms and sensor fusion techniques, they empower vehicles to perceive their surroundings, anticipate potential hazards, and navigate complex environments autonomously. The implications of this innovation extend far beyond mere convenience, promising to reshape entire industries, enhance road safety, and mitigate environmental impact. The exponential growth and continuous advancement of AI and machine learning technologies underscore the increasing demand for skilled professionals in this field. As organizations across sectors recognize the transformative potential of intelligent systems, the role of AI machine learning engineers has become indispensable. It comes as no surprise, therefore, that industry experts predict this profession to be the top-paying tech job in 2024, reflecting the high value placed on their expertise and contributions to driving innovation forward. In essence, AI machine learning engineers are the architects of tomorrow's technology, crafting intelligent systems that redefine human interaction, revolutionize industries, and shape the future of society. Their ingenuity and dedication pave the way for a world where machines not only assist, but augment human capabilities, ushering in an era of unprecedented possibility and progress. According to a recent report by Glassdoor, the average salary for AI machine learning engineers in the US is $114,000, a figure that reflects the high value placed on their specialized skill set and expertise. With the exponential growth of data-driven technologies and the increasing integration of AI into various industries, the demand for these professionals is only expected to escalate in the coming years. As organizations continue to prioritize innovation and digital transformation, AI machine learning engineers will play an indispensable role in driving technological advancements and shaping the future of work. Their ability to harness the power of data and algorithms to solve complex problems ensures that they remain at the forefront of the rapidly evolving tech landscape, poised to make enduring contributions to society and industry alike. So what does a day in the life of an AI machine learning engineer look like? Let's take a closer look. After getting the data ready, AI machine learning engineers work on making the model. They carefully design and adjust algorithms to fit specific jobs and goals. They try out different methods, like old-school linear regression, or newer ones, like deep learning, to find what works best. They also do lots of testing to make sure their models are strong and reliable, tweaking them until they work perfectly. Once the algorithm is good to go, it's time to teach the model. This is when it learns from the data and gets better at making predictions or choices. After that, they put the model into real-life situations, like apps or systems, in a process called deployment. And they don't stop there. They keep an eye on their models, making improvements to keep them working their best. But it's not just about knowing tech stuff. AI machine learning engineers also need to be good at software engineering, so their models fit smoothly into real-world systems. Along with all the tech skills, these engineers need to be great problem solvers and good at figuring out complex issues. They also need to communicate well, as they often work with different teams to turn tech talk into real-world actions. Staying up to date with the latest in AI and machine learning is a must too, as this field changes fast. With a mix of tech know-how, problem-solving smarts, and a willingness to learn, AI machine learning engineers are ready to tackle whatever challenges come their way in our data-driven world. AI and machine learning are changing a lot of things. In healthcare, smart tools can look at medical pictures and information about patients really well. This helps find diseases early and make special treatment plans. Also, in transportation, smart systems are making how we travel better. They help traffic move smoothly, keep us safe, and might even lead to cars driving themselves. AI is also making big changes in finance, farming, shops, and more, making things work better and bringing new ideas. As we see more of what AI can do, we'll need more people who know how to work with it. This means there will be lots of chances for those who know about AI to shape how technology grows. Working in AI and machine learning engineering isn't just about making good money. It's also about being part of something big, changing the way we use technology and how it affects our lives. And there's a lot of jobs out there, so you'll have plenty of chances to do something important and make a real difference. If you love solving tough problems, pushing technology forward, and helping people, think about giving AI and machine learning engineering a try. It could be the beginning of an exciting career where you really make your mark on the world. That's it for today's video. If you found this informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. See you in our next video.